Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I wanted to show you guys different pencils gives you different effects, and it took me 28 years to figure that out. I didn't even know that. I was just thinking using the number 2 pencil was just good enough. But the texture changes, and also the coarseness of it, and just the effect that it gives when you are sketching or drawing. But just in case you're doing this for fun, or you just didn't know at all, this is good information to know. So with that being said, let's get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you stop, like, comment, and subscribe. See ya. And just so you know, I will be labeling the type of pencil it is, just in case you guys find it fascinating or whatnot and you would like to use it. So yeah, let's just get back into it. So far, my favorite pencil has always been the 6B pencil, because it's so smooth, which would be the top one. And the second one, it doesn't matter which factory it came from, it's still the perfect pencil. It's just so smooth, you guys. If you can see how smooth it is, it's beautiful. Now pay attention to the effect on this pencil. It's a 2H pencil, so you're going to you can already tell because I go hard and then lighter, and you can already tell that it's rough, and it really is. It's crazy. The number 2s are like that, and then the number 4s, you see it's a little bit smooth, it's rough as well. Notice again that the 2B pencils or 2H pencils are so rough, as you can see. So the 2Bs versus the 2H is different, but they're still rough. So let's just take a moment to really see. You see that? I know you guys can't feel it, but just look at how smooth it is, you know, and then it kind of gets like rough, you know, and like the more pressure you put on the paper, it kind of gives you a different effect as well versus when you go lighter on the paper as well. But yeah, so I hope this helped you guys out, and just stay tuned for more videos. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I hope you guys are doing wonderful. See ya.